Tonight we're having our grand opening of Burrard Acura on 730 Terminal Avenue. Tonight we have in attendance Acura Canada representatives, including the Honda Canada president. We have, of course, AJ Dilawri, the president of Dilawri group of companies, and his brother as well.
Obviously they're taking time out of their busy schedules because this is such an important event. The Dilawri group has made a huge investment in representing the Acura brand in the greater Vancouver area. We couldn't be happier with the building that they put together and the staff.
Tonight we are very lucky to welcome Hawksworth Restaurant doing our catering this evening, as well as Mr. Colin James as our night entertainment.
This new facility is a cutting-edge design. It's very much in tune with the brand of our vehicles and the precision orientation, the precision crafted performance we put into our products.
It's a fantastic facility. There's 25,000 square feet, including over 150 parking spots for our customers. This allows us to be able to sell and service more vehicles, make it more convenient for people that actually come through the door.
The Acura brand is about man and machine synergy. So it's a concept that is the car is supposed to, and the trucks are supposed to deliver to the customer a better driving experience. Getting behind the wheel, again, about that synergy of man and machine, this is the ultimate experience for that.